Hey y'all, welcome back to Roll & Pin Recipes. Today we're going to make a little chicken noodle soup. Family's feeling a little under the weather and hopefully this will help them feel better. Help us all feel better. Delicious. It's a pretty chilly night too, so this will be perfect. I've got a small little chicken breast in here. My skillet's already on, if you couldn't tell. I've got about 2 cups of water in here. Oh boy. We're gonna let this chicken boil up. I'm gonna put some salt, pepper, a little thyme. I would have put chicken broth in there, but I think mine had went bad in the fridge. Don't want to get too salty. These chips I found in the pantry. Pretty stale. Perfect. We love peppery, y'all. Little chicken bouillon because I don't have chicken broth. Although my family does prefer chicken broth. Give this a little combine. Flip the breast over. I think there's a little weird spot, but when I shred it, hopefully I can pick it out if necessary. I think I'm going to add more liquid. I don't want to make 500 gallons of soup because it ain't going to get eaten. Hopefully that is okay. We'll let this cook for 10-20 minutes and see how it goes. This I was cooking up some oil in, so I like having two so I could use one for whatever and frying one for whatever. And bake the bread in the Dutch oven. It's great having 2 skillets and 2 Dutch ovens. And we love cast iron. Boom. Alright, see y'all in 20 minutes. I have these raw sliced carrots that I got on sale. I chopped them up and froze them, and this is my tail end of it. I don't have any more. So I'm going to put all of these in the pot to ensure they get cooked, because previously I have had to continue cooking my food to ensure they weren't crunchy. My family would prefer they were very soft because they don't prefer them. And I'll save these bags for when I have carrots next. Push some little things in there. Now we will let it cook. So we're also going to add a little thyme. I forgot to add that. Alright, y'all. I chopped this in half a few minutes ago to see if it was done. And I don't think it was, but we'll rock it now. Just going to set this on a towel because it's hot and I don't want it to drip everywhere. I'm just going to pull this out and shred it with 2 forks. Alright, y'all, I shredded up the chicken. Hopefully it's pretty good. We're going to pour it back in. I'm going to need to add a little more liquid, and we will add the noodles. Shred it up pretty good. Just pour in some egg noodles I keep on hand. Not sure how much to add. That looks pretty good, actually. I always keep a couple of our favorite noodles on hand, so if my family is wanting that item, whether it be chicken noodle soup, or I've never made homemade beef stroganoff and they don't really want that, so but mac and cheese or spaghetti, lasagna, whatever they want, that is what we'll make. And I like to keep that on hand. I like to keep bulk of the main staples we eat. Rice, flour, sugar, butter. Okay, hopefully this is enough liquid for my family to get the nutrients and liquid broth. We'll add a little more chicken bouillon. And I turn the heat down. We're going to turn it back up and get these noodles cooked and serve my family up so they can start feeling better. Sucks when you don't feel good, whether you're sick or just not feeling good, and a nice pot of chicken noodle should help you feel all better. I might add garlic and onion, but I'm not sure. It'd be just powder. Cook it for a couple minutes till those noodles are done. Alright, y'all. I believe the noodles are done. It is boiling. I added a little more salt, pepper, water, bouillon, a little more of the seasonings and water. I'm gonna see if I can get a perfect bite. Kind of want to taste the broth. Tastes pretty good, peppery, but good. It's hot. It's pretty good. I think it's good right there. Let's cut the heat and serve it up. We need a lot of broth and minimal carrots. Lots of chicken if I can get it. Lots of broth. Ooh, it's hot. Beautiful. If I see big chunks of chicken, I'll add those. Carrots will help too. Alright, y'all. Oh my goodness. I didn't put that back. I usually keep that in the microwave. Usually put a little bowl cozy. These are nice for hot or cold items like ice cream or hot soup. Alright, y'all. Here's our chicken noodle. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and letting us know what you think. What do you put in your chicken noodle? We appreciate y'all and hope you guys enjoyed. Give this recipe a try. Check out our channel. We have tons of cooking, cast iron cooking, and food on there. We love cooking homemade. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.